My wife and I are on the California Emigrant Trail, partly because we want to see the elephant. More accurately, I guess, we want to see where the emigrants coming from the east had seen the elephant, particularly along the brutal Lassen Cutoff Trail in Nevada and Northeast California. We were inspired by personal diaries from the era. Seeing the elephant was the expression for suffering a severe ordeal, the harshest realities, to know the truth. The elephant was often seen along the line of wagons stretching westward for unbroken miles across the plains in 1849, at times 3 abreast for miles to the horizon. We also emigrated to California from the east. MJ moved 40 years ago, me 20. Our elephants were a lot more tame, and we could always turn back when the road got tough. The pioneers could not. The historic marker at Fandango Pass says the emigrants danced because they had finally reached the promised land of California. Actually, the real story is much more inspiring. After they crossed the death trap of Black Rock Desert, survivors climbed what they thought was their last mountain summit into California, only to find much more pain was still before them. And to avoid dying in the winter storms, they would have to abandon everything and run for several more weeks. So, on their final night on the summit, these heartbroken survivors held a dance, a fandango, before running for their lives. The end of the trail, Lassen's Ranch on the Sacramento River. You won't find much of a historical marker here. Not far from the marker sits a monastery and vineyard. MJ and I sip wine in the comfort of air conditioning and modern conveniences, soaking in the spiritual essence of California and the elephant's place in our history.